Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing YouTube TV with Xfinity TV. So which one should you choose? This is what we will be taking a look at in this video. First of all, let's talk about YouTube TV. It is a popular streaming service that offers over 100 channels including major networks like ABC, NBC, ESPN and more. One of the best features of YouTube TV is its unlimited DVR storage, so you can basically record all of your favorite shows and games and you can keep them for up to 9 months. It's very easy to use and it works seamlessly across your smart TVs, smartphones and tablets. Plus, you can stream on 3 devices at the same time. Now, let's talk about the Xfinity Stream TV. Now, Xfinity offers a wide range of channel packages and combines live TV with an on-demand content. You get channels like ESPN, CNN, and local channels. However, DVR storage is capped and depends on the plan you choose, which might mean extra cost for more recording space. The main advantage of Xfinity TV includes its traditional cable features like access to premium channels and building options with internet services. Now, if we talk about the price, so price wise, YouTube TV is straightforward with a flat fee of around $72.99 per month. Xfinity TV's price can vary depend on the package and additional fees for equipment and DVR space. So, which one should you choose? If you want a no-fuss streaming service with great DVR storage and easy access on multiple devices, YouTube TV is your pick. But if you prefer customizable packages and if you don't mind a traditional cable experience, Xfinity TV could be the way to go. So which one would you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And if you have found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.